is Alina and I want to make some videos about programming. I will do it for my friends who asked me about it. As you can hear, my English is far from perfect, but I hope someone understands what I said. I would be very grateful and happy if you correct my mistakes and give me advice on this matter. That's all I wanted to say for a start. Now let's begin our first lesson and talk about programming language that's called C++. There is a tradition when a student begins to learn any programming language, his first program is Hello World. It means that he welcomes the world of programmers and becomes one of them. But before we start to write this program, we need to choose the software where we will do it. This software is called a compiler. There are many compilers, but I want to recommend to you the online version because it is very comfortable and you don't need to think about what hardware and operation system you have. For this purpose, let's move on to the website. Its address is tutorialspoint.com. Link to it I will write in the description box. This is the main page, but we need to go here. And then we must to select our section and have to wait for it downloaded. Okay, everything is ready and you are ready too, I know it. Let's examine the interface. It is very simple. You can see two buttons on the top of the page. First button is a compile. We must push it when we finish our program and want to check it for errors. And the second button is executed. We must push it when we want the program completed its job. As you can see, your first program is already written for you. Let's push it compile, and if you see this string, it means that everything is good and you can push executed. Cheers! We have done it! You have become a programmer. And now let's look at the program line by line. In the first line we see the phrase include eostream. It means that we will take the eostream library for the use for ready-made functions. The third line says that we will use only standard names of the functions. In the fifth line we will write the main function. It is for each program. Bristles in the sixth and 10th line limit the body of the program. To softly shut down any program should return a value, so we have to write a phrase from the 9th row. The most important for us is the 7th row. It contains a function that displays the phrase hello world. This function is called cout, and it can display all you want. At the end of this line there is another function. It is endLine. It moves the cursor to the next line. In general, that is all I can tell you about this program. If you have any questions, please write them in the comments. I will be glad to answer you. I wish you success and an easy start. I hope to meet you in my next videos.